file name band csv. Data is being loaded to the workspace. This is the data file. After that, I have only collected a segment of that data, which is of 1400 variables. You can see the change in the array size. The first column, the data represent the y-axis, so I have loaded the first column into y. And I have removed the first column because it is of no use for the data. I have used z variable for the data values. After that, I have created the x-axis, which is the first, which is the size of the row. Total number of elements in the size of the row represent the x. And then after that, I have plotted it as a waterfall. You will see the plot. This is the total plot values from 0 value to 1400, and from 1400 values have been plotted. You can plot the whole set of data, but it will take a lot of time, so I have used only a short segment to show you the result. Thank you.